Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Cash App business identity for deposits, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your Cash App business identity for deposits, start by opening your Cash App. Log in using your business account credentials. On the main screen, tap the profile icon located in the upper right corner. Scroll down and select Business Profile. If you haven't set up a business profile yet, tap on Create a Business Profile. Enter your business name as it appears on official documents. Next, input your business tax ID or social security number. You will also need to provide your business address. Ensure that the address matches your official registration documents. After entering all required information, tap Next. Cash App may request additional documentation to confirm your business identity. Prepare documents such as your business license or tax forms. You might also need to submit a personal identification document. If prompted, upload clear images of these documents directly in the app. Double-check that all information is accurate before submitting your request. Once everything is submitted, you will receive a confirmation notification. The verification process may take a few days. Keep an eye on your email for any follow-up requests from Cash App. Upon verification, you will receive a notification confirming your business identity. Once verified, you can start accepting deposits without restrictions. For any issues or questions, consider reaching out to Cash App support for assistance. By following these steps, you can successfully verify your Cash App business identity for deposits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.